Okay, class, in this video, we're going to talk about how to put images and background images in, okay, um, as well as videos. So first thing we're going to do is put in an image, okay? So to put in an image, we're going to use this tag right here, okay? You can pause this however long you need to read this code so that you can type it into yours, okay? So this is an image HTML tag, okay? Right here is the name of my file or file extension. Okay. So if I wanted to go find that in my folder, I would go here and I can see TV. So I've got tv.jpg, tv.jpg. This picture has to be in the same folder, just like the videos, just like the background images. Okay. So type that in, you will get the image in the section that you want. Right now, my image is in the article section. So if I open this web page, the image is these Thunderbird jets right here, and it is in the article section. Okay. So next thing we're going to do is put in a video. A video, you do not have to type the code in to the text editor. Just go to Google, YouTube, find a video. So I was going to click on this one. Once the commercials stop, skip it, pause it, right click, copy embed code, go back to your code. Now I'm just going to get rid of this one. It's actually pretty long. And I'm going to paste in the one I just copied, pasting in the embed code. Okay. Now, I don't want this video to be this big, so I'm going to change this to 600 by 5 or 480. Okay. Should put it in a widescreen format, but not real big. So we'll go back to the page. Okay. So I just replaced this video right here. So when I refresh this, a different video should pop up. Okay. So now that plays inside there, no problem. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is put a background in here. And that's what's behind this. You see this window right here? It's a background of the sky. Okay. So we're going to go back to our code. What you need to do first is choose one of these CSS sections. So you got section, footer, header. So I'm going to use my footer this time, and I'm going to wipe out this piece of code right here. Okay. And I'm going to place this code on top of here. This is the background image. Okay. So I'm just going to paste that in there. I'm going to hit save. Now I'm going to go back to my folder. You see where I have a picture that says red? Okay, it's a JPEG file. Okay, so I'm going to use that same background in my footer. So if you go find a picture, make sure you save the image to your folder. Get the correct file extension. It might say JPEG, it might say JPG, it might say PNG, and whatever you name it something simple so you don't misspell it when you put it in your code. Okay. I'm going to hit save, and when I go back to this page, my footer now has this background image, as you can see. Okay. So Now I can also take this same code, copy it, and put it in my middle section. Just got to remember to get rid of this. Okay, save. Okay, so now everything is the sky background. Okay, so when you're looking for a background image, just again go to Google, type in background images or whatever theme that you want. So if I want snow, okay, so I'm gonna go here to images. This is so you want to make sure your background image is at least 1,000 pixels by 600, or it'll tile across the screen. So I'm just going to go choose this one, see what it says. So that's the right size right there. So I'm going to click on it and open it. And I'm going to open it from its original source, which is right here. Save image as. Change this to snow. Go to documents, go to my folder that it's in, and I'm going to save this as a JPG. Okay. So let's go back to the code. I'm going to change my middle section to snow. And it's a JPG, not a JPEG. Okay. So let's save this and open this. So now I have snowflakes in the background. Okay. So I got one more thing to show you. It's putting a GIF in here. So I'm going to get rid of this picture right here and replace it with a GIF. So if you have a computer that's not a Chromebook, you should be able to go to Giphy. Okay, so I'm going to type up here airplane stickers. Okay, so I'm going to put a cartoon airplane in my scene instead of the picture. Okay, so I'm going to go to Web 44, which is my folder, and I'm going to type plane. Okay, save that as a GIF. Okay, so if I go to my folder, now I have plane as a GIF. If I hover over it, it's a GIF file. Go back to my code, and I'm going to get rid of this, replace it with pl.gif. Okay. Save, open it. So now I have an airplane flying through my blue sky. Okay. So that's pretty much it for what I wanted to show you guys today. Just pause the video anytime you need to, as long as you want, to make sure you get the code copied down correctly. Okay. See you guys later.